Selling real estate can be somewhat of a lonely endeavor. Finding good real estate agent support can be hard as well. That's why one of the core values of the company that we've chosen aligns so perfectly to solve that problem. Here's what I'm talking about. One of Real Broker's core values is work hard, be kind. I love that so much. So the reality is I surround myself across the country. There's currently 2,600 Real Broker agents, and they are all in that same process of working hard and doing it with kindness. And so what I found in Real Broker is a very collaborative environment where everyone is working hard, and naturally we're all good at different things. And so for me, that core value of finding support in the form of working hard and being kind is something that to my core is something I've always believed, but it's amazing to align with a company whose core value is work hard, be kind. My advice to you is, most companies I've been at are very competitive environments. Well, Real Broker is a very collaborative environment, so it's a much different concept where we're all in this together. As I succeed, I lift others, and as others succeed, they lift me. And so if you're feeling what I felt like before, where real estate can kind of be a lonely island, welcome to Real Broker. We'd love to have you a part of what we're trying to build and have you embrace that core value. Work hard and be kind, and you'll see amazing things happen to your business. Have a great day.